Hey kids! I don't know why, but I'm just feeling so emotional. Oh, it must be this wedding. Let's learn the wedding march. Now it's your turn. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3. Are you ready to try to play that faster? Come on, we can do it together. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3. Bravo! Hey kids, let's learn the second part of the wedding march so we can, I guess, all be very emotional and cry together at this wedding. Listen as I play parts 1 and part 2 together. All right, now it's your turn. 8, 7, 4, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Are you ready to speed it up? Come on, you can do it. 8, 7, 4, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. That was beautiful. Don't forget to check out the other videos and subscribe so you can become a musical genius. Bye!